We have reviewed some of their policies that they are working on, and we are very encouraged and impressed that they are taking lead on matters of climate change, and we are going to just help them to finalize whatever policies that they need to be finalized, and also on the access to information, because we are leading a country where the citizenry are well informed and they are asking questions, and this is raising awareness all to the village level. We are very pleased with the progress that we've made in Siaya County with regard to access to information. When we have a technical team who's going to help them finalize on the issue of the policy on grievance management, but their complaint mechanism was there because we were told there was already 12 complaints which they had reported, which is very encouraging. So my technical team will sit with them to be able to finalize the policy that the Waziri has talked about, and that is why we are here to support them, the counties, in those mechanisms, to be able to see how best we can deal with this. So in terms of where I see it from Siaya, I think they are at a good place. They are almost halfway there, and with the support from the Commission, they will be able to finalize those policies and enact an Access to Information Act. By the way, the Access to Information Act that we are talking about is not necessarily related to Floka only. It would be for the entire county, so that the people of Siaya knows how to request for information, and when they fail is when now the Commission can come into their rescue and be able to get that information on their behalf.
We have what we call a grievance redress mechanism, because when we talk about Floka and we talk about how it is that we would want the public to not only be aware of climate action, but indeed for the public, the community, to be the ones to define what projects, for example, we are funding with the Floka budget. We want to be sure that the community gets to have that information, and we want to know that if there is any area where they do not feel that matters are being done in the correct way, it is handled. And so I just want to confirm that in our discussion this morning, one of the key issues that we shared was that we have a robust grievance redress mechanism. We have a focal person. We do indeed not just engage here as a department, but we engage as a county, because we ensure that in our climate change unit, we have directors and leadership from across agriculture, budget, finance, public participation, NEMA. So currently, what we have are toll-free numbers that we have ensured are with finance, with governance, with the climate change officers, and we appreciate that we are going to get support so that we can ensure that this mechanism is strengthened, but much more importantly, that we get a policy, because we do at the moment not have a policy.